Hi, this is Fab Fam Life. Today I want to show you my quick morning cleaning routine, and I have to tell you that this is really for me key. Since I've been doing this, it's been the key to keeping things in order and to minimize my cleaning time. If I do this every morning, and then I also have a evening cleaning routine, which I'm also going to show you, but this has really minimized my time to clean, other than in the morning and in the evening. I made myself a cleaning schedule like this right here, and you can download it from my blog website, which I'm going to link up below. And what I do, as you can see, it's in the middle, let's see if you can see it. In the middle I have the tasks that I do every morning and every evening, and then around it I have 4 areas of my house that I do weekly. And then those areas, that's when I do deep cleaning, like once a week. The kitchen, however, I don't include there because the kitchen I try to do every day, and then I have a monthly deep cleaning, things like cleaning the oven, cleaning the microwave. But other than that, I try to keep my kitchen spotless and, just keep it clean, just like it was new. So let me show you my morning cleaning routine. So this is what I look at when I come down the stairs. I just got up, and since I did a quick straightening up last night, it's not really bad, but there's just a few things that need to be put away. So the first thing I do, of course, is take care of my animals. So my dog is already waiting, and my cat is already waiting. And so first thing I'm going to do is feed the cat and the dog, take the dog out to wee-wee quickly, and he always wants to drink at the water faucet, so I'm going to let him do that. Okay, kitty baby. Okay, next I'll do a quick tidy up and straightening up. Since I did one last night, it's not really bad because basically it's just the stuff that is lying around from last night when we watched a little TV, and so I'm just going to straighten that up. Also, I always do a quick surface wipe down, especially when you have cat. The cat always walks around on the couch, on my tables, on the countertops, so before I do anything I just do a quick wipe down, and then I know everything's clean, there's no hair on there and no dirt. And since I have a dog, I always sweep the stairs every morning, every evening, because there's so much hair, especially at the time of the year when it gets warm and he's shedding a lot. I always sweep the stairs because otherwise it gets too messy. Next really important task is cleaning the litter box, scooping it out, and I really hate that it's here in the entryway, but I really haven't found any other good place. Also, he's an old cat and he's had some urinary tract problems, and I guess he's associated a certain space with having pain, so at one time he started peeing in all kinds of corners, and then when I put it here, everything was fine again, so I actually don't want to move it anywhere else because it just works, and I'd rather be a litter box in the hallway than the cat peeing in all kinds of corners. And finally, I will prepare our breakfast table. We usually just eat cereal on the weekdays in the mornings, and so that's pretty quick. Just put out some bowls and spoons and put out all the cereals, and voila. Breakfast table is ready, and so ready to wake up my little girl, and then after breakfast I'm gonna take her to daycare, and then I could start work. And that's my morning cleaning and preparation routine. So this was my cleaning routine for the morning, and I also have another cleaning routine for evening time, which I'm also going to make a video about, and it takes me about 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the evening, and then everything is really awesome, and everything is clean. It feels great when you come, when you come down in the morning, or when you come back after work, and it's all in its place, and it saves me a lot of time. So hope this tip helped you a little bit. Have a wonderful day. Bye.